Hello, my name is Paul Anderson, and I have been tasked by the Hershey Corporation to introduce to you a new ad that will complement the existing ad that you see here. This is the original ad campaign that is used to help promote the Reese's family line. So let's go ahead and focus on the original ad campaign. The first thing I wanted to point out is the design is very simplistic. It is very direct and to the point, and this is done in order to draw the viewer in to the Reese's product. The slogan also states at the top, "Spend more time with family." And since it is promoting a family line of products for Reese's, that is a very appropriate slogan to use. So we are going to stick with the family theme in the new ad that you'll see coming up. The typography in the slogan, "Spend more time with the family," utilizes a sans serif type of font. The closest one that I could come up with to help stay consistent with that is the Calibri font, which is a sans serif type of font that you'll see in the new ad. Also, the three colors that are used in this ad are yellow, orange, and brown, and that is also consistent with the Reese's product line. It is very familiar to the general consumer around the world. So we will stick with that as well. You'll notice at the top we have the yellow and the orange. In the middle, on the wrapper, we have the orange as well. And on the right, we have the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup with the bite taken out of it. And that helps illustrate the brown color. The one thing I want to point out is we'll be utilizing the peanut butter cup that you see here in the new ad. So let's go ahead and take a look at the new ad. This is a new perspective and the different designs and the consistencies that are utilized between the two ads. First thing I want to point out is here is now the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup with the bite taken out of it. I'm using it as a background to help focus on the original product itself, the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. I'm using it as a background for the new slogan, "The growing family you've always dreamed of." This stays consistent with the family theme from the original ad. Also, we have various new products introduced in the new ad, as you see here. We're staying consistent with the colors of yellow, orange, and brown. At the top, we stayed consistent with the original background color of the original ad of orange, as well as the brown for the peanut butter cup. And the yellow that you'll see, of course, throughout all of the products that you see here, as well as all the products represent the orange and the brown. But there's also different shades of those colors, which offers consistency, or contrast, I should say, with the ad itself. So, for example, you'll notice on the right, the white Reese's product definitely stands out, as well as you'll see different shades of orange and yellow throughout the different products. So again, that offers contrast to some of the colors that you see. The typography is also consistent. As mentioned before, I've used the Calibri style of font. It's very closely related to the original font on the original ad. Also, something else that is consistent with the original ad is you'll notice within the center circle here that we have the original Reese's Peanut Butter Cup product. that is consistent with the original ad, as well as the other products surrounding the original product. So that concludes the introduction of a new campaign ad, and my hope is that this campaign ad will be used in future advertisements for the Hershey corporations and the Reese's product line. Thank you.